The adrenals of the human body can get stuck in a working mode. They can become overactive due to chronic stress. By tuning the adrenals and resetting them back to their factory settings, we are actually moving the body from a sympathetic state to a parasympathetic state. Conditions such as digestive disorders, insomnia, or sleep disorders, thyroid problems, addictions, autoimmune disorders, chronic fatigue, anxiety, panic attacks, PTSD, intergenerational trauma are all indicators from your body that an adrenal rhythm reset may be beneficial. This is not recommended as a first session for new clients and should be planned in advance. Clients often experience fatigue after this session. Clients should devote time for reflection and self care after receiving this service. Once recalibrated, give the body a few days rest because it has been using adrenaline to keep itself going at an unstable pace. It can take between 1 and 5 sessions for adrenals to reestablish their new rhythm. Visit jhollingshed.com to schedule your adrenal rhythm reset today. Be well, stay blessed, and through love, be a blessing. God bless.